Do you know how to deal with perimeter when it's actually mixed with algebra? This question we've been given that the perimeter of the square is the same as the perimeter of the rectangle, and we have to work out the width y of the rectangle. So they're already encouraging us to use algebra by giving us the letter y. When we're given a letter that we don't know, that normally calls for some form of equation or multiple equations that we can solve. In this case it's one letter, so I only need one equation. The context being the perimeter will give me my equation. So first of all, the perimeter of the square, we can actually work out the perimeter is where we add together all of the sides. So a square having all the same sides, I just need to add together 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus another 5. Now, do you see how here it said the perimeter of the square, which is this, is the same, which is the same thing as writing equals, as the perimeter of the rectangle. So now looking at the rectangle, how would I work that out? I know that I don't know what y is, but if you just use y, how would you work it out? Well, it would be 2 plus y plus another 2, because this side is 2, and then plus another y. Again, that side is the same. Do you see how now I've got an equation? It looks a bit messy, but effectively I've got an equation and the only thing missing is y, and that is luckily the only thing I'm looking for. So let's actually just solve this, collect some like terms. Obviously on the left hand side, 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 20. On the right hand side, I can do y plus y, which is 2y. 2 plus 2 is 4. Now this looks a bit more familiar, just a normal equation. I want to solve it to find y. So I'm going to move the 4 across. I need to subtract, so 16 is equal to 2y, and then divide by 2, so y is 8. And that is it. So they've asked for what is the width, what is y? Well, it's 8. That's all you need to do, just set up an equation based on the context of the question. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out the GCSE Maths Pro YouTube channel, where I have full videos going into more detail. Link is in my bio.